Lesson 16, how to use Spline Command. Okay, first we need to draw two lines, 100 and 200. And 100 is a horizontal line and 200 is a vertical line. So I can go to line command. I click on the line command and I'm starting on the right hand side of the screen and working towards my left. I'm dragging this time to the left hand side and I type 100, enter, and then I lift the cursor up and type 200, enter, enter. Yes. Now this line I need to offset both the lines by 20. Okay, we have used offset command. Okay, offset button is here, so either you can click the button, or if you want to use a shortcut key, then I just need to type O, enter, and you get offset. Okay, what is the offset distance? AutoCAD asks me what is the offset distance. 20, enter. Select object to offset. Okay, this is the object. I will first offset the vertical line. Click, press here, click, and click on this side. Click, click, and click. Continue. Select the horizontal line and click somewhere inside. Horizontal line, inside, inside, click inside, click inside, click inside. Yes, until you, and then press enter. So you have a box like this, a grid box, and into this box I'm going to draw my spline. So instead of using the same layer, since I want a different color, let me click this down arrow here and choose outline 0.25, which is a yellow color. Okay, so let's start our spline. So to look for the spline, it is in the draw panel. You will have to click the small arrow down here and then you can see this. This is the spline command here. Okay, I click on the spline command and it asks me specify the first point. Okay, I'm going to click the first point here. This is my first point and this is my second point and my third point and my fourth point, fifth point, and my sixth point is somewhere here, and my seventh point is right on top here. Okay, after clicking, you may need to press enter 3 times. Enter, enter, enter. Yes, now you have your spline. So you need to erase the grid line so that only the spline curves can be seen. Okay, so how do I erase only the grid lines? You can just click on it. This is one way of erasing it. You can click on it and press delete. You can do that, or you could use this method. Just click and drag and see some of the red lines are being selected. Yes, and then press delete. Right, there's one more line here, one more line here. I'll click on it and press delete. So here you have your spline. So how do you erase a line? You can click on erase command, or you can take enter, select object, click on the line or lines to be erased and press enter. Note, an easier way to erase an object will be to select it by clicking on it and press delete.